Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. We're studying atoms and molecules. Today we shall study it's another important but a brief topic, that is formula unit of ionic compounds. We have studied about ionic compounds. These are composed of ions. For example, sodium and chloride consists of ions sodium positive and chlorine negative. Means sodium has lost electron, chlorine has gained electron. There is an electrostatic force of attraction between them, what we call as ionic bond, electrovalent bond. Formula unit of an ionic compound. Dear students, an ionic compound is made up of extremely large number of positively charged ions and negatively charged ions joined together. Yus ionic compound आसान छ, for example sodium chloride, NH4Cl, etc. बनियामत positively charged ions be negatively charged ion yum panvi join together panvi रलयित आसान छ. For example, sodium chloride is an ionic compound which consists of a large but equal number of sodium and chlorine ions. अत मज वारिया कसम से millions of molecules मगर बराबर यीटा sodium तीटा आसन chlorine तेली आस electrically neutral तीटी sodium तीटी आसन chlorine यीटा sodium आसन ions. So the actual formula of sodium chloride should be Na positive n times chlorine n, yani number of, means unlimited number of chlorine ion, this sodium positive ions and chlorine negative ions, cations and ions, or Na positive Cl negative n times Na positive Cl negative ions. अत मज आसान Na positive Cl negative वारिया join n टाइम वारिया number वारिया join करें यमन तादाद कि n is a very large number, n is a very large, तीजा large कि ऐसा count करें मगर generally एक layman's खतर possible कि go there are number of sodium ions and chlorine ions which are joined n number, n means very large number. NaCl is the simplest formula of sodium chloride. Image formula is lekha NaCl and not its actual form. You go image simple say molecule. Image actual formula is NaCl n number of these molecules. The simplest combination of ions that produces an electrically neutral unit is called formula unit of ionic compound. This is a topic the simplest combination of ions, positive and negative ions, use electrically neutral unit, yani Na positive Cl negative, Na positive theta Cl negative teli bani electrically neutral. Use electrically neutral unit of produce banai tach wana formula unit of ionic compound. So go tim ionic compounds. Say NaCl use the ionic compound tim go so formula unit, yani simplest combination of ions use electrically neutral unit produce kara. The formula unit of an ionic compound can be thought of as the smallest unit of that compound. You go timuk smallest unit. It is equivalent to a molecule of compound. You go timuk molecule. The formula unit of sodium chloride is NaCl. NaCl क्या होगा Na positive Cl negative. You go electrically neutral, which consists of one sodium ion and one chlorine. एक you go formula unit. एक sodium ion, एक chlorine ion. यदि हम combine करो NaCl positive electrically एक simple unit यात इस formula unit बना छ. Then we have formula mass. The topic. As ionic compounds do not consist of molecules. Molecule आसान कि ion. The use of term molecular mass for them is not correct. So we use for क्योंकि इस formula unit is formula mass. So we use the formula mass for ionic compounds. The formula mass of ionic compound is related to mass of its formula unit. यानी formula unit क्या होगा? Say NaCl sodium be chlorine Cl negative is basically Na positive Cl negative which like NaCl of an ionic ionic use unit unit mass as when it is compared with a relative mass of its formula as compared with the mass of carbon 12 atom. Use as author for carbon 12 atom. To calculate the formula mass of ionic compounds, we should know the formula of ionic compounds and as guess as formula to be atomic mass. Pata teli like formula unit this formula mass pata. For example, it is already the atomic mass of an atom atomic mass ionic mass which is bilkul same kaz atom ion bana electron kar gain ya kar loss electron is negligible mass thawan yath pet atoms kis mass pet tamiuk pat asar pevan chhe ki. For example, potassium carbonate carbon formula is K2CO3. Atomic mass of potassium is 39 atomic mass unit. Carbon is 12 is pata. Oxygen is 16. Tel kya hoga formula mass K2CO3. Mass of two potassium atoms is a potassium atom plus mass of one this carbon atom plus mass of 3 oxygen atoms. So go 2 into 39. 39 kaita 39 ch potassium ek atom plus 12 into 3 plus 16. So go imuk formula unit mass is formula mass so 138 unit. Go ish asa tithi barabar atomic masses barabar. Hope you have understood this. Thank you.